Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make orange mousse. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 to 3 fresh oranges, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 packet of unflavored gelatin. Having all ingredients at room temperature, except the cream, helps them combine smoothly. Also, prepare your mixing bowls and a whisk or electric mixer for efficient preparation. Now, let's create the vibrant orange base. Zest 1 orange for garnish later, then juice 2 to 3 oranges to get approximately 1/2 cup of fresh juice. In a small bowl, sprinkle 1 packet of unflavored gelatin over 2 tablespoons of this orange juice and let it bloom for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, gently heat the remaining orange juice with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in a saucepan until the sugar fully dissolves. Next, we'll prepare the creamy component. In a separate, chilled bowl, whip 1 cup of very cold heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar until soft peaks just begin to form. Now, stir the bloomed gelatin into your warm orange juice mixture until it is completely dissolved. Allow this orange mixture to cool slightly. Then, gently fold the cooled orange mixture into the whipped cream in 3 separate additions, preserving the airy texture. Finally, it's time to chill and enjoy your delicious creation. Carefully spoon or pour the orange mousse into individual serving glasses or a single large dessert bowl. Cover the mousse loosely with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming. Refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours or until the mousse is completely set and firm. Before serving, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh orange zest or a delicate orange segment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.